Why does your scanner show the P0414 engine code? What does it mean? P0414 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system switching valve A circuit shorted. This error code indicates it means your car's engine computer has detected a short circuit or electrical fault in the system that pumps fresh air into the exhaust during cold startups to help reduce emissions. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring and connector issues. Failed air pump relay or fuse. Defective secondary air pump. Failed switching or check valve. Faulty powertrain control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.